is.
A hammer.
Wow.
Look at the bottom of it. Look at the bottom of it.
Yeah, he got himself a hammer.
Yeah, he didn't have a hammer.
Yeah, you got a tool belt too, dude. Check out the tool belt.
Wow.
Look what else is in there.
Wow.
Keep
That's a
looking.
wrench. Wrench.
Those are Black and Decker, huh? Nice.
Yeah. Guaranteed.
Here, look here. Looky here. You want to put the belt on? Oh, look, it's got something on it.
That's all right.
Look.
Yeah. Safety goggles.
Put him on. Connor, you need a cupcake.
The whole darn thing.
You want to eat your cake at your birthday, but you're going to eat cake now, aren't you?
Because nobody's
Nobody's
watching me.
put me on all that
Oh,
spot
yeah,
while
that's
pressure like that. I wouldn't have done it to anybody.
Screws and bolts, huh?
That bear, does it fit around his waist?
She got all the tools.
Jerome, look at the bottom of it. What? Jerome, look at the bottom of it.
Turn it over.
No, I'll just.
The box,
The toolbox.
the bottom.